little trees, this is Diamond Cute Charms, and today I received my package from Pastels Creations. So let me show you my purchase package. It's right here. So yep, let's open the package. Here's the package. Okay, I have her little card right here, and it says Pastels Creations. And this is really pretty. I love your Chibi. It's so cute. And she sent me, let me see first, my purchase package is this one. A cute little baggie. Yay! Let's take everything out. First she sent me this mushroom cat. And this is so cute. It's super squishy. I love the face. Focus. Focus. And then I received this one. It's super cute too. Ooh, that's cute. It's a mushroom cat. And then I purchased this pink macaron. And this is super squishy. I love this one. And then I purchased another one. A chocolate one. Super squishy. Love it. And then for extras, she sent me these banana stickers. I love them. There's this ice cream scoop sundae banana ice cream, and there's this one right here. And the bananas, I love them. They're super cute. And this one, oh my god, this is my favorite. She sent me this extra, and it's super cute, and it's licensed in the back. There. And this, oh my god, I love this one. I love it. So yep, that's my purchase package from Pastel Creations. Thank you so much. I love your card and I love the extras. And I absolutely gonna purchase from you again. Thank you, little trees. Thanks for watching. Bye.